Hello everyone, my name is Alejandro and I'm here to present three different topics. The first one is capacitance, the second one is electric power, and the third one is joule heating. So let's start with the first one, capacitance. Capacitance is the ability of a body to store electrical charge. Also is the ratio of the change in an electric charge in a system to the corresponding change in its electric potential. The common symbols that we can see is the SI unit farad, and the formula is C is equal to Q over V. On this formula, C represents the capacitance measured in farads. Q represents electric charge measured on the place of the capacitor, measured in coulombs. And V is symbolized as difference of electric potential between the plates and the capacitor, measured in volts. We can see this law represented on this truss. The second topic is electric power. Electric power is the rate per unit time at which electrical energy is transferred by an electric circuit. The SI unit of power is the watt and joule per second. As a representation of this law, we can see that this law is applied on the towers of steels that had cables on it, or in the underground high voltage cables that provide energy to the big cities. As a background of this law is the fundamental principle of much electricity generation were discovered during the 1820s and early 1830s by the British scientist Michael Faraday. This law have two subtopics. Electric load, that is, electric power is transformed to other forms of energy when electric charge moves through an electric potential voltage difference, which occurs in electrical component in electric circuits. And we can see this explanation represented on this draw. As a second subtopic, we can see power source, that is if the charge are moved by an exterior force through the device in the direction from the lower electric potential to the higher. So positive charge moves from negative to positive terminal. Work will be done on the charge and energy is being converted to electric potential energy from some other type of energy. And the two formulas that we can use to this law are the next one. The general formula that states electric power equal voltage difference plus current. And the second one is the resistor one that states electric power is equal to current square plus resistance equal to voltage difference square over resistance. And the third and last topic is joule heating, also known as omni-heating and resistive heating, is the process by which the passage of an electric current through a conductor produces heat. As a background, we can see that James Prescott Joule first published in December 1840s an abstract in the Proceedings of the Royal Society suggesting the heat could be generated by an electrical current. Then James law states that the power of heating generated by an electrical conductor is proportional to the product of this resistance and the square of the current. This one. And the general formula states that P is equal to VA minus VB plus E. This one. P states power, V VA and VB voltage drop, and E is the current traveling through the resistor or better element. So I hope you enjoy all the video, and we are seeing next video.